Are you a beginner looking to start an online business? Look no further. In this video, we will reveal the top 5 profitable online business ideas for beginners. So let's get started. First up, affiliate marketing. This business model allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. With the right strategies and niche selection, you can make a significant income online. Next, how about starting an online coaching or consulting business? If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer your knowledge and help others achieve their goals. It's a fantastic way to share your passion while generating a consistent income. Another great option is to become an online course creator. If you have skills or expertise in a specific area, you can create and sell online courses. People are always eager to learn new skills, and this is a perfect opportunity to turn your knowledge into profit. If you enjoy writing, consider starting a blog. Blogging allows you to share your thoughts, experiences, and expertise with a wider audience. You can monetize your blog through advertisements, sponsored posts, or even selling your own products or services. Lastly, why not try your hand at e-commerce? With platforms like Shopify, you can easily set up an online store and sell products to customers worldwide. It's an exciting way to leverage the power of the internet and reach a vast audience. So there you have it, 5 proven online business ideas for beginners. Whether it's affiliate marketing, coaching, creating online courses, blogging, or e-commerce, choose the idea that aligns best with your interests and skills. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We wish you all the best on your online business journey.